So we got slightly delayed, and I'm not sure what day it is, but the blizzard knocked out our trip to the southeast of Iceland, where we're gonna go see the glacier. But now we're at the, I'm not gonna even try to say the name of it, but put the title at the bottom, power plant. And we're gonna get a tour of how the power plant works, and I'll try to video as much as I can, but I've been told I can't video the inner workings of the power plant. So here we go.
Those kids are 7th graders, Chris.
So I got a great explanation of how the power plant works. Unfortunately, I couldn't put that on video, but they have a fantastic setup up here. So I'm just gonna walk around.
Iceland is about to become rich by doing carbon capture.
Yes, some say it's just a show off. It's been debated how if they're because they use enormous amount of water to it. They have a lot of water, yes. But I was reading some criticism about it. It's gotten all the attention.
It's so difficult to do that, but you figured out how to.
Yes.
So these are the turbines. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 of them here, and if you notice, nobody's here. I've been told by our tour guide, Christian, that there's about 5 people working on computers running the whole operation. This is impressive. So I didn't know what this was when I walked by it before, but this is a cross section. Let me see if I can get a better lighting on the other side. Yeah, there we go. This is a cross section of the tube that they drill down into the geothermal vent. That's the insulation. This is the carbon steel right here. And that's where the steam goes, right there. And I'll try to point it out on the diagram here. That would be this. So yeah, they harness the hot, bring it up, and then yeah. So yeah, I can't explain much more of this. I'm having trouble like choosing my words.